Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Toyota's 95 to 04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in these instructions, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components, and repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's rear wheels. Next, the driver's side is clear, but the passenger side will require the exhaust hanger to be removed prior to installation. Step 4. Place a set of stiffeners into place using the bolt holes and body mount brackets as reference points, and take note of any obstructions. Begin cleaning the frame free of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 5. Replace the stiffeners and C-clamp and tack weld them into place. Step 6. Completely weld the stiffeners around all edges. And you're done.